Am I able to what?
Only partly visible.
Okay.
Yes, we are not able to see your face.
Yeah, fine, fine. No issue.
Now it's okay.
How many of you say, I don't have time to do any work? Please ping yes or no in the chat box. Yeah, perfect. I was also one among you. But after you hear my speech, you won't say that reason. Happy morning to all Toastmasters and guests. It was the year of 2007. I was studying 10th standard. The subject was history. One fine day, the quarterly exam started. Even though I prepared well, I was failed in that subject. Then I pestered to my teacher saying, please give me pass marks. The teacher replied, Hi, Gerda, why should I give pass marks to you? Why did you get pass marks in the subject? I told, it's because of the lack of time. The teacher replied in an arrogant way, Lack of time? I will slap you. How dare you say such a stupid reason? How other children wrote and got pass marks in the subject? If you said any other reason, I would have accepted it. I didn't expect this information from you. So I just went in a bad way. I told this information to my parents and they scolded me. After a couple of minutes, my mother taught me tips on how to score good marks in tough subjects. I would like to share those tips in front of you all. Number one, go through all the questions from the beginning till the end. Don't think whether it is tough or easy. Number two, answer all the questions, whatever you feel is easy, by putting the correct question number. As a result, you started feeling confident and you will think that you will get good marks. You will get at least pass marks in the subject. Finally, answer all the remaining questions. At that time, you will get at least 1 or 2 points related to that question. So finally, you will feel confident that you will get good marks in the subject. I followed my mother's advice. As a result, I implemented all the techniques in all the subjects. I got pass marks with decent score. As a result, I scored 85% in 10th standard. I followed the same principles in all my school and college studies. And I got decent marks. In office, I was interested to participate in corporate social activities. Then I started involving in all the social activities. My corporate head impressed my performance and asked me to do one activity as a pop role. I took it grandly. The first activity was teaching for kids. Since it was a weekend, I done in a perfect way. Then it went on for several weeks. At the end of the second month, it was completed. She impressed my performance and started giving much more activities. Finally, I was not able to involve in my office work and also in the corporate work. So I became very dull and my mind also became dull. So that as a result, I was not able to provide any updates to corporate head. One fine day, she asked me, why you became so inactive in and not giving any updates? I replied, time is not there. She told me, this is not the right reason to tell. There is a technique called time management. It's a process of segregating, make prioritization, and complete it accordingly. Remember, everyone are having 24 hours a day. It's because of how you are utilizing your time and you will complete it. I know you can handle it, but it's because of your laziness and procrastination that you keep on postponing. A proverb says, procrastination is the thief of time. So I think you will accept my advice. So from then on, I completely stopped by saying, time is not there. I started involving all the activities and which will not get affected with my office work and also in my personal work. So I created a 2 into 2 matrix. I would like to show it in front of you all. I kept it as urgent. Whatever the important task I have to do, I will publish it. And second here, it's not urgent but it's important. I will list out here. It's not important and urgent, I will enclose it here. Not important and not urgent, I will enclose it here. So I will complete all those work as much as possible. Before I go to sleep, I used to check this plan, whether I completed all those activities. Once it's completed, I will strike it out and then only I will go to sleep. So the same technique was getting followed in all the several days, and as a result, I didn't miss any of the activities. So my dear Toastmasters and guests, time management is an important factor in everyone's life. Good time management lets you work smarter, not harder, thereby increasing more productivity, less stress, and greater effectivity. Failing to manage your time decreases your productivity, high stress, and you will not get confidence and concentration. A quote about time management. Great people think of using it. Ordinary people think merely of spending it. Time is the most valuable thing a man can spend. Plan and spend your time wisely. Victory will always be yours. Now, how many of you won't say time is not there? Please think yes or no. Contest master, over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Bhagat. We will now have 3 minutes to prepare our evaluation. After 3 minutes, we will pick 2 evaluators. Timer, please indicate to me when 3 minutes have elapsed.